Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy messy updo on medium length hair. To start, I'm going to divide the hair in half from about the end of the eyebrow height. Then pop that top half into a ponytail. And with the bottom section, make one more ponytail directly below the first. Now I'm just going to add some texture spray all over the ponytails and the crown of the head. I'll pop the products I'm using in the description below. Then you're going to use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the hair around the crown to loosen things up a little bit and add a bit of texture. I'm going to divide the ponytails into 3 equal sections, and taking the first one, I'm going to grab it near the base, give it a couple of twists towards the head and secure that little loop to the head with a few bobby pins. Let's take another same size section. Get a couple of fingers, grab it near the base, twist it a couple of times to create your loop and secure to the head. Leave the tail ends poking out, and then we're going to do it one more time on this top ponytail. So grab the top, twist it a couple of times, hold to the head and secure with a few pins. And it really is that easy, so we're just going to do the same steps on the bottom ponytail. So split it into 3 equal sections. Grab it with a couple of fingers near the base, give it a couple of twists, hold it to the head and secure with pins. We're going to do this with the remaining 2 sections, twisting and pinning it to the head as you go. If you're new to my channel or just keep finding yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. So I'm going to leave most of these tail ends hanging loose, but if some of them are a little bit too long, just pop a bobby pin on the end, roll it towards the head and just push into that bun. Then using your fingers, we're going to gently pinch and pull every loop and twist of this hairstyle to make it more messy and voluminous. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.